Hello guys, it's a Pixel from the Pixel Kids here. We're playing Cat Mario. Yes, I'm gonna be the most angered man ever. Okay, what are the controls? Okay, how do I jump? Okay. Hello. Die. What's here? You frickin'. Just let me get the item. Okay, now what's here? Straw. Okay. Holy, oh, you got me there for that. Good thing I couldn't make that jump without dying. The heck, this guy's a billion health. Okay, nothing bad is happening to me yet. Oh my god, it startled the Okay, that didn't startle me that much. That block came and I'm like, okay, I'm dead, but I wasn't. Oh, you startled me. Okay, now here is the hard part. Jump. Okay, this is gonna fall. Haha. It did not kill me, that missed me completely. Have one more life. I'm dead. Okay, I lost. Do I have to restart from the beginning or something? Oh, it's 0 lives. Great, we're playing Super Mario Galaxy. That noise. Now I lost. Dang it. Oh, -1. You have infinity lives. Yes. Oh, what? Wait. Just jump. Don't get that bad. I forgot about that. Hiya. Okay, -3. I can't even beat the first level. I'm trying to speed running it, but I can't. Haha. It looks like it detects you when you jump. If I jump right beside it, it won't do anything. Die. Mushroom! That's a bad mushroom. That's a bad mushroom. I know that. It's all brownie. Sambabida. It's annoying. -5 lives and I can't beat the first level. How bad I am. I forgot about that. I have to jump on the side. Right up. I'll leave the link. I did not touch that. Can beat this one. Okay. Boom. Oh, I didn't even have to jump up then. Boom. Oh, give me the mushroom. Give me the mushroom. Okay, I'm alive. That's good. But it didn't do anything. Checkpoint! Oh yeah. I'll kill this guy. That looks really weird. Killed me. That wasn't even close. Okay, I need to kill this guy. Die. Kill your friend. I almost are. A rainbow star is a death star. What the heck? This game sucks. Oh my god, that startled the heck out of me. Flag. You're kidding. I'm stuck. You're kidding me. How do I kill myself? Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Kill me. What the heck am I supposed to do? Go and fall. No, we have to restart. Wait, how do I restart? Didn't even know how to restart. What the heck? Oh, there you go. Finally I die. But dang it, what the heck? I thought I needed to like restart the game. I'm like, oh, you're cheating me. Okay, I can't. Okay, remember? Don't get stuck. Okay. Okay, here's a coin. Okay, I'm safe. Okay. cloud is mad. That cloud is mad. But I know, like, why is there, like, I know that cloud is bad. I just know it. This game will piss you off, like, literally. It's exact same like Mario, except you're a cat and it freaking rages you. Okay, I'm almost died. Okay, I have to jump here. Yeah. Jump on you, then jump. Okay, jump. That cloud is mad, I'm pretty sure. I want to myself. There we go. See, I knew that cloud is mad. Okay, here we go. Jump. Don't die. Go right here. Get the coin. Jump on it. Jump. Okay. Jump. That cloud is mad. Get these guys out. Boom. Yes. You're kidding me. Oh my god. You're kidding me. This game sucks. I will make until I finish the game, but this game sucks. Oh my god, that break. Oh my god, I almost. Kidding me. Just kidding me. Fall in the hole. The thing is, the guy can't fall in the hole. That's the problem. Don't I go fast or something? There we go. Jeez, this is annoying. Go here, jump. Don't fall. Grab the coin. Almost fell there. Don't lag off. Go on there. Jump. Don't fall because of the angry cloud. The heck? Yes! I made it! You're kidding me! You're kidding me. What now? I wasted 20 lives already. This game is so annoying. No! This game is so annoying. Come on. I wasted 21 lives. Jump. Don't fall. Get the coin. Jump. Go here. Jump. Let them come. Okay, here we go. I knew. I keep forgetting. Something. Where is it? I fell. I'm dead, right? Yeah, I'm dead. That's like a glitch or something? That has to be a glitch. Like, this is so annoying. I think I know. I think you're supposed to, like, go over it and then wait for that to come, and then you go over. There's another one. That should be. Yeah, there's no way it's impossible to be the first level because you just they did not even touch me. Oh my god, this game is poop. This game's not even worth it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I freaking freaked out when that happened. Okay, here. Okay. Wait for those to come in. Oh, this game pisses me off. 24 lives. Don't fall off. Boom, 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 boom. I like the music, but I don't like the freaking game. Go back up. No! There's a flag. There. Okay. This is so difficult. If you've seen YouTubers play this, and if you think it's funny, I'm gonna be pissed off. Come on, okay, here we go. Jump! I made the jump for it. Okay. Jump! No! That didn't touch it. My feet didn't touch it. I went completely over it. Oh my god. If somebody beat this without losing a life, I don't know. Nobody in the whole world can beat this game without using up one life. That would have been impossible. This game has the most tricks. See, I didn't even touch it and it killed me. I don't think I'm even gonna finish the freaking level. I'm pretty sure this is like the hardest level of all. I already wasted over 30 lives. I might? No. Over 25 lives. That's a lot. For one level, that's a lot. Don't fall off! Oh my god, I almost fell off there. Cat's freaking Mario. God, this is so freaking annoying. Most annoying game ever. Most raging game ever. Okay. Now. Okay. Something. Oh my god, you stupid thing, you freaking stupid little butt. Oh my god, don't fall. Oh my god, I want to finish the level in this episode. I want to finish the level in one episode. One level, one episode. That's gonna be good. What the freaking? You saw that completely, guys. That did not touch me. Son of a freaking biscuit. This is freaking the most annoying game ever. Okay. Shh. Guys, we can do this one episode. What do you do? You go on the tip, jump. Okay, here we go. You can do this. Shing! We did it! What now? Do it from behind? Back. Okay, come on, we can beat this. No, we can't. I'll be ending the episode right here. Don't worry, I'll make this. I just want to finish this in one day. I'll be ending the episode right here, guys. Bye. Peace out. Bam.